Let's make some high protein goat's cheese pasta in less than 15 minutes. This recipe is so easy and it's so tasty. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you're going to need 100 grams of goat's cheese, 100 grams of lentil pasta, super high in protein, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 50 grams of peas, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 red onion. A little splash of red wine vinegar just for a bit of acidity. First step, dice up an onion. As fine as you can, this is going to speed up the cooking time. Give the garlic a bash, this makes it easier to peel, and then finally dice it. One thing I forgot to mention, you're going to want to boil a kettle so you can speed up the cooking process for the pasta. Next step, cook the pasta. This will take 12 minutes. Next we're going to start cooking the cherry tomatoes. Start on a low heat and just start getting a bit of blistering on them. Then chuck in the onions and the garlic and just let it simmer for about 10 minutes to slowly start breaking down the onions and the tomatoes. They're going to blister, they're going to get juicy. This is going to create sort of like a self-saucing pasta without much work. When it's in, time to drain the pasta and just keep back a little bit of that water. 12 minutes in and the tomato is looking great. The flavours and the aromas smell wonderful. Chuck in the peas, these won't take long to cook, and just give it a little mix through. Now we're going to throw the pasta in, as well as that little bit of pasta water we kept behind. This is going to add a tiny bit of starch to it, just to thicken it a little bit. Lastly, we're going to crumble a little bit of goat's cheese and fold that through. Give it a gentle mix, this is going to create another element to the sauce, a nice sort of creamy richness. Save back a little bit of goat's cheese as we'll use this at the end to garnish it and just crumble a bit on top. But there we have it, high protein goat's cheese lentil pasta in less than 15 minutes, probably even quicker than that. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, see you in the next one.